Hi guys, just want to show you guys my new water floss. I have decided to get the 120 volt version because it's cheaper, but of course the issue is I stay in Malaysia, so I need 230 volts. So um, I tried to find a solution for it. So I found a transformer in China which what's advertised that they can change the 120 volts to 230 volts. So I'm going to test this in front of the camera. This is an unboxing as well as testing. So hopefully 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 it's a success and I don't ruin the machine itself. So yeah. So let me open this. Okay. Actually, I have no idea how it works. I think I'm just gonna plug it in and see if it works, and that's it lah, probably. So this is the cable and everything. Inside there's multiple heads that you can floss with. Oh, okay, interesting. It has this I have no idea what are these. I just take something and plug inside to see if it works. That's it. Let me tear one of them. Okay, so I'm going to take out one of them and I'm going to put it in the handle. Okay, wow, okay, interesting. Oh, it can rotate. Okay, on and off. Okay, release and lock. Okay, got it. So there's a pressure, and this is the water level. I need to find out where should I pour the water though. Let's see. Power the unit, prepare the reservoir. Replate the over base, press down firmly. Oh, I need to fill up. Okay, this is the reservoir. I wonder if it can work with just a small cup of water. Because I'm just gonna do a test only. Well, let's see. We prime the unit. Point the handle and dip into the sink. Turn power and water on, and the water flows from the tip. So you just turn on the needle, I think. Nothing, not very complex. Okay, right. So let's do the test. So this is a glass of water. Can I pour like this? Okay. Is it flowing out? No, it's not. Alright. Good design. Okay, so put it in here. I'm just gonna point the nozzle back down here so that it just like, how to say, it will go down. I mean, the water will circulate by itself. Okay, so what I got from China is this. I'm gonna show you. It's a transformer. It's a, how to say, it's specially designed to convert the voltage. Okay, it's actually quite heavy. It's very heavy. feels like high quality stuff, but okay. Okay, so the tip here is a China plug, so I need to convert China plug to UK plug because in Malaysia we use a UK plug kind of thing. So okay, so this one, then it also comes with this one. It's an additional adapter. I think it's a free gift or something like that, which I think is quite interesting. Show you. So this plug will allow you to have multiple plugs. I think it comes in handy, but never mind lah. I just test with that one first. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do the test. Hopefully it doesn't explode on camera. Okay, so this is the cable. I'm not sure if you can see the plug because the plug is quite far. Should I show you the plug? Okay, anyways, I show you the writing first. So it converts 220 volts voltage to 110 volts. So once it's converted, then it should give you the correct voltage for the device, and your device should be able to function fine after that. So I'm going to test this on camera, and it is the first time. Okay. Alright. So plug in. Okay, fits nicely. Okay. Should I move my camera? Never mind. I move it a bit. Okay, now we're gonna shift a bit to the plug. Sorry for the pro planning. It's quite impromptu. Okay, so this is the plug that I'm gonna plug in. Then yeah. So you can see that there's a blue light. It shows that it's on. Okay, so moment of truth. Quite nervous. Okay, so to prime it, I need to set it to maximum power as per instructions, and then I think I need to press this button to on. Okay. Okay. See? Oh, it works. Woo! It's very strong. I'm not sure if I should be doing this in the power supply. Okay, so it works, and it works very strongly. So this concludes our test for safety reasons, because I don't want the water to go inside the plug. Okay, right. So yeah, I have a solution here. If you want to buy this plug, I can sell it to you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys. Bye. God bless.